Alright, how's it going, guys? My name is TechHex and welcome back to a new video. In the last video I said I was going to create a .bat file that would delete a whole nother file, which that's what we're going to be doing today. Now it's actually pretty easy, that's why this is a short video. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is this. Open up Notepad, or I don't usually use Notepad++, and I'm not going to be using Python for this because this channel is more for basic, users. I will get into Python if you want me to. If you actually do want me to start doing Python, just write it in the description. But, okay, that aside, just DEL space, and then the file path. Now, we're actually going to create our own little file here to delete. I don't know if it works on desktop. Actually, no, we're going to test that. I know if it's like in documents or, heck, even in the C drive, you can delete. Like, I could use this path and delete everything in here, which if you want to send that to someone you hate and tell them it's some weird new music thing, I don't know, whatever you want to say, you could do that and they could hate you forever. I'm gonna try actually creating one on the desktop. I've never done that one before, so I guess I'm gonna try it. Test. Alright, just open it up so I can get the path. Vasya desktop test. There we go. Oh no, we're actually gonna put something in it. So let me just grab icons. This icon I used for this actually. I'll get into that later. I'll get into what this is later. Test. Alright. So now that we got that, I'm gonna Control C or the other mouse button and click copy. Then you go over to here, Control V or paste. Now we're gonna save this as delete.bat. Make it all files. Then we're just gonna save it to desktop. There it is. Alright. Now, I usually run these things as administrator, but I guess we could just run it normally, see if it works, so. Are you sure? Yes. And look at that. It's gone. I guess you could do it on desktop as well. That's basically how you do it, but you can actually, I think I've heard a lot about questions like this a lot. Can you add to the file that you already created? Yes, you can. Just drag it into Notepad. You can add a crasher.bat, a full deletion of the windows. I think you can actually add more deletes. Like when you run it, it'll delete more than one thing. You can basically delete anything with this. The C drive, the D drive. You can add anything you want to it. Like let's say you're creating something like this right here, Zephyr, which I'll get into after this. You could add like file on top of file to start other files, to delete other files. It'll all work as long as you save it as a .bat or a dot something else. If you want to put text, I think that's a .vbs. I'm pretty sure it's a .vbs. But that's basically how you do it. Quick tutorial. Now about the Zephyr thing, don't save. I don't need this. I don't actually need this, so I'm just gonna put it over here for now. About this, I was going to explain something. I created this, actually. It's a full payload file. And it's actually something really creative I made. It deletes the program files and actually displays messages. It's something I created. I'm planning on, releasing it to anyone who wants to do one of those Windows destruction videos, like Vinesauce Joel and other people that I don't know the name of. I actually am thinking of creating a MediaFire thing, or a mega file or a mega thing or something, and releasing this for download, so you can download this and activate it on like an emulator. I have mine right here, Workstation 15. On my main channel, Chaos 101, I'm actually going to be doing that. But if you want to see me do it on this channel or do something different, because I know I have more of these, just leave a like, leave a comment, do something. Scream at me on Instagram at the Anime Communist Party. Just do something like that, and I'll probably get into doing it. I probably will, because I have nothing better to do with my life, because I'm very lonely. Self-deprecation. Now, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.